Welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji. We will discuss chapter number 7, the name is coordinate geometry, and exercise number 7.2. Here we will talk about the section formula. What is the meaning of section formula? You can see here section formula. The coordinate of the points are x, y which divide internally the straight line joining the points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 in the ratio m1:m2 is given by, this is the formula. And first of all, you know well, this is your graph and this one is line, you can see here, and this line name coordinates here. Coordinates, first one is P and second one is Q. So P here and Q this point. This one is x1 comma y1 and this one x2 and y2. Okay, and this is internally divide, and so name is r x y. Okay, so now if you find out the value of x and y, so we can apply the formula. Formula is here m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 by2 plus m2 by 1 m1 plus m2. By the help of this formula, you can find out the coordinate of x and y. Such type of question, we have only three things. First one, coordinates of P, coordinates of Q, and ratio given. Ratio, that means I am talking about m1 ratio m2. It is given, and then by the help of this one, you can find out the value of x, y. So let us start question number first. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. In this question, we have to find the coordinate of P, x, y. Where is P? Where is, so you can see A, B, and that name is P. The coordinate of P is x, y, and in this question we have the ratio 2:3. So 2:3. Coordinate of A, that means -1, 7, and coordinate of B 4, -3. Okay, we have to find the value of x and y. How to solve? Look at this one. Solution. Let P x y be the required point. We know that by using the section formula. So section formula, you know well, section formula. What is the section formula? You can see here section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, so now we will find out the value of x or y. Okay, in this question we have m1 m2, so m1 value is 2, m2 value is 3, and the x1 x1 value is -1, x2 value is 4, and y1 value is 7 and y2 value -3. You can put and find out the value of x or y of coordinate P. How to solve? See here. So first of all, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, now value of y, how to write? m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, here value of m1 means first value is 2, so 2 multiply x2, that means second value is 4, so you can write 4 plus m2 value is 3 into x1 means first value -1, you can put -1, and m1 plus m2, that means 2 plus 3. After solving you will get 4 to the 8 and plus minus -3 upon 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, now you can write 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 upon 5. So you will get answer 1. The value of x is 1. Similarly, you will find out the value of y. Value of m1, that one 2. y2 value is minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 plus m2 value is 3. 3 into y1 value is 7 upon 2 plus 3 as it is, and 2 3 are 6 minus 6, 7 3 are 21 upon 5. 21 minus 6 is 15, big number is positive sign, so plus 15 upon 5 divided 3. So value of y is equal to 3. Okay, so we will get the coordinate of pxy. X value is 1 and y value is 3. So your answer is, hence coordinate of p 1, 3. So that is your answer 1 and 3. Okay. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points of minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1 and 6. How to see? First of all, you can see the picture and understand what is the meaning. A, B and that point is P. Coordinate of A is given minus 3, 10 and the coordinate of B 6 minus 8 and coordinate of P is also given minus 1 6, and we have to find the which ratio, m1 ratio m2. So let the ratio is k ratio 1. Okay, how to solve? Look at this one. Solution: let the required ratio be k ratio 1. Okay, and here it is the name. Coordinate of A also given minus 3, 10 and the B ratio V coordinates is 6 minus 8 and the P ratio also given minus 1 and 6. By using section formula, so you know well x equal to m1 x2 plus m1 m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, y equal to m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 upon m1 plus m2. This is your formula, and now you can put the value of x and y. That means minus 1 value is x and 6 equal y equal to 6. So you have to put x minus 1. m1 that means k, or m2 means 1. So k multiply x2 means second value, k into 6 plus m2 1, x1 value is into minus 3 upon m1 plus m2, k plus 1. Okay, now you can put next value y value is 6. You can write 6. m1 value is k and by 2, y2 that means second one, minus 8 plus m2 1 and value of y1 10 upon m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. After solving you will get minus 1 as it is, k into 6 means 6k and plus minus 3 upon k plus 1. Okay friends, and now you can get 6 is equal to 8k minus 8k and plus 10 upon k plus 1. Cross multiply, you will get multiply by minus 1, so that become minus k minus 1 equal to 6k minus 3. Okay, here multiply by 6k plus 6 minus 8k plus 10. So this is your complete one, and now you can write 6k, come left hand side, minus k minus 6k equal to minus 3 and minus become plus 1. The next step, 6k as it is and 8k you can move in left hand side, so that will be positive. 8k equal to 10 and this value minus 6. So after solving k plus 6k, how much? 7k, and both values negative, so minus 7k equal to 3 minus 1, 2, big number is negative, so minus minus plus and k equal to 2 upon 7, right here. And the similarly 6 plus 8, that means 14k, and 10 minus 6 is 4, and so k is equal to how much? K. So k equal to 4 upon 14, 2 2 is 4 and 2 7, so k value is 2 upon 7. So now you can write the both value are same, 2 upon 7. How to write? K upon 1 can we write 2 upon 7, this value k upon 1, so that means k ratio 1 equal to 2 ratio 7. So your answer 2 raised to 7. The ratio here 2 raised to 7. That is your answer. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and B is 1 and 4. What is the meaning of this question? You can understand by this figure. This is a circle, okay, and this one is center and it is a diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle, that name is AB, okay, and center name, that will be C, okay. Right here, coordinate of B 1 and 4, coordinate this coordinate 1 and 4, okay, and also given is center 2 minus 3, so center, the coordinate of center 2 minus 3, and this coordinate you have to find out the value, the coordinate of A you have to find out. So let this one is x and y, okay. M1 M2, M1 M2, this is the ratio, but this is the center, so AC equal to BC because both are radius. So C is the midpoint of AB, midpoint of AB, so the coordinate of P will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. You will apply this formula. There is no need to apply m1 x2 m2 x1, so there is no need because this is the center. So how to write? Look at this one. Solution. Let the coordinate of A be x by x comma y, okay. Now AB is the diameter, AB is a diameter of a circle, Now you can write AB is the diameter of a circle is given also, and B, coordinate of B 1 comma 4 and the center of the coordinate C, that means 2 minus 3. C is the midpoint of AB. So coordinate of P, coordinate of C, so you can apply the formula, this one, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the formula. Now you have to find out x equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. How to write the value of x? X value is 2. 2 equal to x1. x1 means x here and plus x2. x2, the first value is 1 plus 1 upon 2. Equation y equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So value of y second one. Second is minus 3. Minus 3 by 1 means by, and plus by 2 value is 4 upon 2. Okay, cross multiply. 2 to 4 is equal to x plus 1, and 3 to 6 minus 6 equal to by plus 4. Now you can write 4 minus 1 equal to x, and similarly minus 6 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4 is equal to by. So you can find 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 equal to x, and minus 10 equal to by. Okay here, or x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 10. So then, so your answer. Hence, coordinate of A, how much? 3 and minus 10. 3 minus 10. The value is here, it is by. Okay. So I think you can understand here. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. We have to find the area of rhombus. So first of all you have to write let A value 3, 0, 3, 0, B and the value 4, 5, C minus 1, 4 and D minus 2, minus 1 with the vertices of our rhombus. Okay, we have to find the area. You can see this picture, you can understand by this picture. A, B, C and D. A means 3, 0 and B means 4, 5 and C means here minus 1 and 4 and D means here minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. So you have to find out the area of this rhombus. So how to find? First of all, you will find out the value, the distance AC, and after that you will find out the distance BD. So distance formula you can apply here. Distance AC. So AC, that means under root x2 minus x1 का whole square और plus by 1 by 2 minus by 1 का whole square. So AC means A value and C. So x2, that means minus 1. Minus 1 and minus also, and x1 value is 3. So minus 3 whole square plus by 2. By 2 that means here 4. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 ka whole square. So now you can solve this one. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square and plus 4 square. That means 4 4 ja 16 and 4 4 ja 16. 16 plus 16, that is 32. 2 2 ja 4 4. So 4 root 2. 4 root 2, the value of AC. Now you can find out the distance. Which one? Distance BD. So equal to under root BD. So D value minus 2 and minus 4 whole square and plus by 2 minus 1 and minus 5 whole square. So this one minus 6 whole square and plus minus 6 whole square. 6 6 ja 36 and 36. that means 72. So that will be 6 root 2, the value of BD. Now we have to find the area of rhombus. So we know that area of a rhombus equal to 1 upon 2 d1 into d2. d1 means diagonal, first diagonal and second. So first diagonal, that means AC into BD. 1 upon 2 value of AC 4 root 2 and value of BD 6 root 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. Root 2 2. How much? 24. 24 square units. Okay, this one is exercise 7.2 is completed, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video.